Wildcats, and welcome to Friday, December 4th, 2020. Today I have five pledges from Ms. Castellanos' classroom, and their names are
Natalie, Isabella, Abraham, Alejandra, Giselle.
If you could please stand, place your hand over your heart as we do the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
And now the Texas flag.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one indivisible.
If you would please remain standing for a moment of silence. All right, you may be seated, but I am going to put the girls on the spot, and I'm going to ask them to do our safety statement for us. So they're going to go ahead and read it for us.
Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary has a right to feel safe, loved, and respected at home, on the bus, and during the school day. If anyone at home, on the bus, or at school makes you feel unsafe, unloved, or disrespected, tell someone. Tell a parent, your teacher, the counselor, the principal, or any other trusted adult.
Didn't they sound amazing? All right, we do have a couple of birthdays. We have a happy birthday to Nara in first grade. Tomorrow, happy birthday to Antonio in third grade. Sunday, happy birthday to Aaron in first grade, Liam in third grade, and one celebrity birthday. Happy birthday to Miss Martinez in kindergarten this Sunday. She'll be celebrating her 21st birthday, so be sure to wish her a happy early birthday. Our announcements: we are still in No Place for Hate campus. Teachers, team leaders, please make sure you're doing your Operation North Pole. And we are continuing with winter pictures. So if you did not take your winter pictures, you can still do them today. The character education themes for the month of December are in honesty and integrity. One of the world's most famous and brilliant scientists, Albert Einstein, believed that honesty and integrity were important. He is quoted as saying, "Whoever is careless with the truth in small matters cannot be trusted with important matters." So that boils down to, if you lie about small things, you will lie about big things. All right. Oh, next week is also we're going to have dress-up days for the winter. So I believe Monday is that we're going to wear something blue. But be sure to check that out. Oh, we're wearing a sweater. Okay. All right, so make sure that you check out our holiday dress days. They start Monday and they run for the next 2 weeks. So with something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh saying, make it a great day or not.
The choice is yours!
That's right, Wildcats, the choice is always yours. So I hope that today and every day you choose to make it a fantastic Friday.